But so today I'm going to put the stock coil back on it. I thought I had a bad coil because this thing always started slow. Once it's running, it was great. But it would just always start slow, and it acted like it was carburation. Well, when I put the new stator in it, I figured, no, that'll fix my weak spark issue, so I put a resistor plug back into it. And these don't like resistor plugs because it just resists that spark signal for whatever reason. It must just be weak. And I found that in the past, but I thought with the new stator that I would have enough juice, but I don't have enough juice. So yeah, let's get to it. I found just an old non-resistor B8ES plug. I cleaned it up. It should work. It's really hard to find these. What I want to do first, I'm going to take the coil off. I got my 185S coil kind of half rigged on here because I thought it was the coil. And then another guy said that these CDI boxes get weak. I don't know what that has to do with spark. Because, I mean, it's getting the full chooch from here. I don't know. And I thought for sure that this coil wouldn't fit in there because it didn't seem like it would, but if you hold your mouth just right, she comes right out of there. Okay, I'm going to stick that back up in there. This is the other coil. I have to take this plug wire off, so. Ooh, she really chooched on there. I thought it was the plug wire too, so I just got Western with it and just reefed the shit out of that, putting it back on. And these aren't screw-on. I think it's just push, but that's probably why this got all chazzled, because I was putting it on like a screw-on. Okay. So I'm hoping with this non-resistor plug, she should just fire right up, just like it's supposed to. And then I got to figure out where I can get B8ESs. I went to Napa, and he's like, let me see where I can find them. This is the stock number. So he had that all figured out. Well, then he's looking. He was Billings, Montana. They got 4 of them. Holy shit. Oh, I got this too. Be proud of doing it your own way. Coors. Some little words of inspiration from your friends at Coors Brewing Company. I cleaned up, you should be able to tell that I cleaned these. I filed everything all up. Made sure it was chooching as correctly as it could. See, I don't know what I'm going to do with that light. I should just get a small 12-volt battery and just maybe have some Velcro, you know, and just be able to slap it on there if you have to. Or just keep it on there until it goes out and then recharge it. Or could I charge it off of this thing? Probably not. Okay, that's back on there. I gotta switch out the plug. I bought a brand new BR ADS, And it ran enough to get down here, but it starts hard, and the way the kicker wants to skip every once in a while, it's just no bueno. No bueno. I mean, I could check it for spark, but I don't know if you're going to see anything. I mean, it's definitely got spark. There. Now, you think she'll light? Okay. Reserve. Wrench. Choke. Roll it over slow a couple times. 1, 2. Get her past top dead center. Oh, come on now. Yeah. Oh, no. Yep. Go. All right, one kick. Gas tank bolts are like, don't ever lose it, because you will never find another one. It's all the way through. Probably jet that thing down. When I was messing around with it, I did see that the top of the piston is completely washed off, and I always like jetting them fat, but that might be a little bit too fat. I think I got a 310 jet in there now, and I think I put a 290 in it, I think is when she's ripping mean middle of summer. So, and I noticed this too, like this, is that thing leaking oil too, or is that just left over from when I didn't wash it? I apologize. All right, that's still on there. I can put this motherfucker back on there. That goes on the 185. These are my, how do you like some of my, whoop. They're like several different sizes. And I was going to put a new tab on there. I still could anytime. Just got to weld a piece on there and put a nut on the back side and weld her up. These are all strategically placed. It's a rider. Not clean enough to eat off of, that's for sure. Oh, that goes in. See, I think that's a 10, that's a 13, and this is like an 11. Something like that. We gotta make sure the fuckers are tight because this thing vibrates like an ass. Terrible. I wonder if whoever did the rod put the thing back together straight sometimes. I wonder about that. Okay. Put a little bit of fuel in it. Find the seat. Where's the seat? Oh, it's up here. And now that I've had the seat off, like, look at what I did this winter. I'm gonna have to get a cover, something terrible. But like I was saying, this seat likes to come off then. Like, I hear it click down nice. I always make sure that these are... Oh. Ripa. I love this thing. This runs like a fucking champ. So yeah, if your friends tell you that you can run a resistor plug in one of these things, I mean you can, but they start hard, and I can't believe I fought it for that long. Ever since I put this stator in, then I forgot about the resistor deal, so yeah. It's a ripper. A bloody ripper. I like how that pipe always turns colors. It's hot. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Up to 310 subscribers now, and I kind of fell out of the algorithm. I think when you hit 300, they must just want you to earn it more or something. So I don't know. We're gonna have to do some fancier videos, I guess. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks again.